Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Nissan Qashqai TS, stock reference number 5710. The shape runs from the 6-month 2014 through to the 6-month 2017. It has an R9M 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. R9M 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has a light fold on the rear edge and a small dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tailgate garnish, tailgate has no damage, bumper cover has a slight scratch in the centre, right tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has two small dents, right front door has one small dent, right power door mirror, right guard has no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control heated controls, aftermarket JVC media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.